Why should I register my HVAC equipment warranty? You should register it because doing so helps confirm your ownership, starts the correct warranty record, and can make future repairs or replacement parts easier to approve. When you register your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment, the manufacturer connects the unit's model and serial numbers to your contact information and installation date. This gives the company a clear record of which equipment you own and when its warranty period began. Without registration, some manufacturers may provide only a shorter standard warranty instead of the longer registered warranty. Registration can also help a service technician find the right parts faster, because the equipment details are already stored in the manufacturer's system. It may give you important safety notices, product updates, or recall information. A useful detail many homeowners do not know is that the warranty may cover different parts for different lengths of time, such as the compressor, heat exchanger, or electronic controls. Register soon after installation, keep your confirmation email, and save your invoice, model number, and serial number in a safe place. Also check the warranty terms, because registration usually does not replace regular maintenance or cover damage caused by incorrect installation, neglect, or unauthorized repairs. One common mistake is assuming the warranty starts automatically with the installation, so check the manufacturer's deadline and register as soon as possible. Another mistake is entering the wrong model or serial number, so compare every character with the label on the equipment and keep a photo of it. Some homeowners also think registration covers all service costs, but many warranties cover parts while excluding labor, refrigerant, diagnosis, or maintenance, so read those sections before a repair is needed. If you move, update your address with the manufacturer and keep records showing the equipment's installation date and maintenance history. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.